Hey, to change theme on your OnePlus Nord CE for Lite 5G, you can actually go into the Google Play Store and you can search for different launchers. So if I want to get, for example, the Google launcher, like on the Google smartphones, I have to click on the search and input Google Pixel launcher. I can also find this in the recommendation, and you can actually get this one, for example, the Pixel launcher from Inspire Theme Team. And when you click on it and install it, of course you can get any other theme. That's actually my recommendation. You can get, for example, the iOS launcher, like for example this one, the launcher iOS 18 from iPhone 15. And so now all you have to do is just to wait a little bit on this installation process. And after this, we'll be able to actually get this simple Android experience. So when you open it, just wait, and it looks like this. As you can see, we've got actually the different style of the app drawer, of the home screen. So yeah, that's how you can do this. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.